Hello, welcome back to another episode of Calculated Education. Today we're taking a look at an SAT math practice problem. These are great questions to practice if you're getting ready for the SAT, PSAT, SAT, or ACT. So here we are given example number 10. It gives us the equation A is equal to M divided by M minus N. All right, so I rewrote the equation above here. One of the best things we want to do is we want to make sure we separate and get M on one side, and that's how obviously we're going to solve our equation. So what I would do personally is I don't like having numerators and denominators. So I would multiply both sides by M minus N. So if I do it to one side, these are going to cancel out. And then I need to make sure I do it over here. All right. Therefore, I can expand. So it's going to be to AM minus AN is equal to M. Fabulous. All right, now that I have this, I'm going to subtract AM and put that on the other side of M, right? Because I want to group my M's together the best that I can. So if I subtract AM from one side, I have to make sure I do it to the other side. So that's going to leave me with negative AN is equal to M minus AM. All right, and let's get rid of that negative sign on the AN. Just divide both sides by negative 1. It's going to give us AN is equal to negative M. So in order to get positive M, if I'm multiplying by negative 1, I need a negative M plus AM, right? Because this negative becomes a positive there because of the negative 1. All right, this is great. So now we can actually factor out M. So that's going to be a negative 1 plus A times M. Perfect. And then we have M by itself, so we can we can rearrange this by A minus 1 here. And that's only because we have a negative 1 there and we're adding. So in the end, we are given M is equal to AN over A minus 1. All right, and is that any of our answers? Yes, it is. It is going to be A. That is it for today's practice question. If you want to see your questions answered or need any additional tutoring, do not hesitate to email calculatededucation@gmail.com. You can also sign up for private tutoring at the website below. Please feel free to like, subscribe, share this with your friends who are getting ready for the SAT or ACT. This is a great practice question.